Hey, what's up y'all? It's Danny, and today I'm going to show you how to make an all-time favorite summer treat, homemade lemonade. Now, nothing screams summer better than a tall, cool glass of lemonade. But before we get started, you'll need a few things. For this recipe, you'll need lemons, water, and some cane sugar. Step 1. Bring 2 cups of sugar and 2 cups of water to a boil. Make sure you're stirring the pot until the liquid is completely clear. Step 2. Combine that mixture with 2 cups of freshly squeezed lemon juice. That'll come from about 8 lemons. Step 3. Add some more water to the mixture until it tastes just the way you want it to. After that, just set the pitcher in the fridge to cool. In just a few hours, your homemade lemonade is ready to enjoy, and you can dress it up any way you want. And that's it. Now you're ready to soak up the sun with a delicious old-fashioned treat.